How to fix Skype, a JavaScript error occurred in the main process Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix a JavaScript error occurred in the main process Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Microsoft Store. Once you open it up, you just need to simply go with library, which is on the bottom left. Now under library, if you have your Skype installed on your device, you just need to simply go with Skype and you need to check if your Skype is up to date. If it is up to date, then no problem. But if it is not, then you just need to simply go and update the application. Once you update it, your problem might be fixed. But we need to do other steps also. So just right click on your Windows and then go with run. Now once you're under the run window, you just need to simply type percentage, local app data percentage. Hit the enter. And once you're under the app data local, now here you just need to simply search for the packages file. Just go with the P section and here you will have the packages file. You just need to simply go with packages, open it up. Once you find this file, we need to scroll down and find the Microsoft Skype file. So you just need to simply right click on it and then go with delete. And once you deleted the file, then your problem might be fixed. Once you've done that, make sure that the Skype is not running in your background because it will not delete. If it is running, then you just need to simply go and remove the Skype or exit the Skype application and then go and delete. Once you've deleted, your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't, then move on to the next solution, which is you just need to simply open up your browser. And under your browser, now you just need to simply enter Microsoft Visual C++. Once you hit the enter, you'll get this kind of interface. You can simply go and download the Visual C++. This makes the programs on your computer run better. If the problem is related to Visual C++, then downloading this program may solve the problem. So you can simply open up the Microsoft website and you can just download it from the website itself. It's easy. You can simply choose your computer's 64-bit or 32-bit and you can download. Once you've downloaded, your problem might be fixed. After the installation process is complete, you just need to simply restart your computer, and after doing that, you can check if the problem is solved or not. But if it doesn't, then the third solution is to repair and reset Skype. To do that, what you need to do is open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you just need to simply go with the apps section. Under apps, you need to go with installed apps, and then you need to scroll down and find the Skype. If you don't find it, then you just need to simply go with search apps and you just need to simply enter Skype. After that, you need to go with the right side, which has that three dots, and then go with uninstall. Once you uninstalled, you need to again reinstall, or before uninstalling, you can go with advanced options. Under advanced option, you just need to simply scroll down and you need to go with repair and reset. So click on repair, and once it repairs, you just need to simply go with reset, and after that, your problem will be solved. So that's it. That's how you can fix your Skype. A JavaScript error occurred in the main process in Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.